is I met with one of my clients today and we were reviewing some of her progress and struggles, and she told me that she was feeling that she had more mental clarity and her memory was improved and she didn't have to make as many notes for things. And so that's something that was different, that she wasn't expecting, you know, from just improving her nutrition and her healthy behaviors. And so I thought that was really cool and I wanted to share that with you. And another thing, another client of mine had also said that she said too was that she noticed her groceries were cheaper and nearly cut in half. The thing she wasn't expecting was to have a cheaper bill. She was in the mindset before of, oh, healthy eating is expensive because somebody told that to her, but when you actually do it, you realize it's not. And there's a lot of things that can come about just by changing your nutrition and doing other healthy behaviors. So if those are anything that you struggle with, I would love to help you too.